Mastering swing trading with moving averages. Choose the right moving averages. Select the appropriate moving averages based on your trading time frame and preferences. Common choices include the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages. Shorter time frames provide more responsive signals, while longer time frames offer a broader perspective. Identify trend direction. Use moving averages to determine the direction of the prevailing trend. When the price is above the moving average, it indicates an uptrend, and when it's below, it suggests a downtrend. This helps traders align with the overall market direction. Find support and resistance levels. Moving averages can act as dynamic support or resistance levels. Pay attention to how the price interacts with the moving average and consider it as a potential entry or exit point for your swing trades. Utilize moving average crossovers. Look for moving average crossovers to identify potential trade signals. When a shorter-term moving average crosses above a longer-term moving average, it may indicate a bullish signal, while a bearish signal is suggested by a crossover in the opposite direction.